the Grand Design Solitude 388MBS. Really cool updates to the Solitude itself. One thing we're gonna notice right off the bat, we'll see if we can get in close enough, but you can see the little decals here. They put in some little details that make this thing that much more luxurious. So as you can see, absolutely massive pass-through that they've added in, tons of space. We're gonna jump right on into the inside though to show you the floor plan, as this one is really cool. Check this out. First of all, you've got a fantastic kitchen, big fridge, ton of counter space, upgraded appliances, really nice light fixtures, giving it that residential feel. And then you've got the dinette here with the massive windows that you're looking out. There's so much natural light coming in here. With that, you can sit in this beautiful living room. This couch is absolutely amazing. Material on this is such high quality and so comfortable. It is absolutely beautiful. Lots of little features too, like this, like a drawer that has all of your electronics, so your plugins and everything like that, just to keep it out of the way and clean. You've got the, if I can do it one-handed, the mantle as well that pops down. So as you can see, definitely an update in the floor plan. And part of that with this mid bunk is what they wanted to do was keep it a bunk, so you still have that top bit. They've kept the couch, which is really nice, but what they have changed is this area. So you still have TV, but your cupboards up top are massive, and then one big piece about it is this part that pops out. So you can essentially put a chair here and have a desk that work from home style. So it's definitely a hybrid of the full bedroom, but also if you're not going to use it for that, you can still have it as a full desk. As we come down the hallway, you'll notice we still have these massive windows, ton of natural light, and we can come into the bathroom and bedroom. So very open feel in here, super nice. This is one of the coolest things. We have a hair tool accessory drawer, and you pull it open, look at this. You've got these bins in here that are for your curler or your hair dryer. It's super cool and innovative. Absolutely love that. Soft closing drawer, of course, too. Then it passes through into the bedroom. Very nice. Open feel once again. Really nice walk-in closet though, with a ton of space. And of course, we've got the extra closet here that would be prepped for your stackable washer and dryer. You'll notice the washroom is the pass-throughs there, so you got two doors as well. So some great innovation by Grand Design. Absolutely loving this floor plan. And you'll notice the colors of this. The Collins interior is just a huge upgrade. It's got that soft feel with a couple dark accents, but not too dark, and giving it a very warm residential feel and vibe.